Okay, I don't know what these birds are. So if anybody knows, please let me know. We're at Wildlife Safari today.
Got a bright orange or yellow bill.
They're so pretty. Well, this is Maria with Still Dreaming Homestead. Let's see what else we see.
Picture of me, please.
Hi. Well, I would have liked to have seen your head.
More time, the
Yeah,
animals? Or
yeah.
what? Yeah.
Well,
Grass and hay.
whatever they
Huh.
give them. They're so interesting because they really love to stand still.
Oh,
I haven't seen these beautiful little
his head is
geese
really shaking.
here before.
Oh, look, he's turning. He's going to turn around, I think.
Oh, they're so pretty.